I got a new high protein meal prep idea for your breakfast, and it's super easy. Grab 2 mason jars to start. You're gonna start by lightly spraying or greasing the inside of your jars so things don't stick. You're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese to each one. Blop, plop. Then you're gonna add whatever veggies you want. I'm gonna add some mushrooms, whatever veggies you like on your omelet. All right. And some peppers, red and orange peppers. You could also do spinach, or you could do onions, or whatever it is you want. Then you're gonna add 1 ounce of cheese to each one. I'm just using some mozzarella. You can use cheddar, or whatever cheese you like. This is the only one I had. So, egg to each one. There's 1. And 2. Then you're going to add a little salt and pepper to each one. And then I also like to sprinkle in some dried chives. Then you're going to stir each of those up. You're going to put lids on and throw them in the refrigerator until you're ready to make them. When you're ready to make them, you're just going to take the lid off and you're going to microwave them for 1 to 2 minutes. And voila. You can either eat them right out of the jar or you can throw them into a bowl. Your very own little omelet.